Here's why doing social reels alone is not going to grow your business in the way you think it would in a localized market. The way social reels work is they put your content out. It doesn't show it to people just in your localized audience. So when you get 5,000 views, 98% of them could be in other areas that can't even do business with you. So here's the workaround to leveraging reels to actually penetrate a localized market. The key is to incorporate people and tag people in your local sphere in the content that you make. This is a great strategy because now when you do that, your reels are going to be shown to everyone in their sphere. If they're tagged in it, if they're posted on the videos, if they're featured in it, it's going to show your video to everyone in their sphere, which is a localized market. But just realize that when you put out a video, you're showing content to people across the country and they may not be able to purchase from you. Another great thing I like to recommend for businesses is if you have a localized product, create a nationally scalable product so that when you do social reels, you have the benefit of potentially getting them as a customer. So as a recap, 1, make sure that you're featuring people in your content locally, and 2, create a product or service within your business that allows you to capitalize on a national audience. Those are my tips for getting the most out of social reels.